Welcome to iOS 18 hands-on development course. In this particular video, we are going to look at overview of iOS 18 features. We will cover introduction to iOS 18 and some major feature highlights in iOS 18. Let's begin. So for introduction to iOS 18 is the latest iteration of Apple's mobile operating system, bringing with it several new features, performance improvements, and tools for developers to create more advanced and secure applications. It was publicly available on September 16, 2024, and this video was recorded on September 19, 2024, so it was recently released. Some of the major feature highlights in iOS 18 include the AI-driven interactions. iOS 18 leverages improved machine learning capabilities, offering deeper integration of AI into apps. Developers can now integrate more advanced AI features such as real-time object recognition, natural language processing, and personalized user experiences. This is especially useful in apps focused on user behavior analysis, automation, and UI-driven recommendations. Something new in iOS 18 is built-in APIs to support complex AI algorithms without requiring third-party libraries. Next, we also have the ARKit enhancement. Apple's ARKit has seen major upgrades in iOS 18. Developers can now create more realistic augmented reality AR experiences with improved object detection, spatial tracking, and occlusion. What's new? Support for multiple objects in AR and better integration with hardware to support more detailed 3D graphics and AR interactions. Next, SwiftUI improvements. SwiftUI has matured with significant improvements in performance, UI components, and data handling. iOS 18 brings faster rendering, a broader range of UI elements, and more responsive layouts. There's a new focus on building apps with minimal code and declarative UI. Some of the key new components include better grid layouts, custom navigation components, enhanced gesture recognizers, and animations. Next, enhanced privacy and security features. Apple continues to focus on user privacy, introducing stricter permissions for app tracking, access to sensitive user data, example your location, your health, and stronger cryptography. iOS 18 brings several APIs that enable developers to comply with privacy regulations like GDPR and provide users with more transparency over how their data is used. One of the examples I can give you is developers need to implement more detailed permission dialogues when accessing device data such as location, camera, or microphone. Widget kit updates. iOS 18 allows developers to create more interactive and customizable widgets. Widgets can now respond to user inputs, offer dynamic content updates, and even integrate with more device features like notifications and background data fetching. Some of the new capabilities include where developers can build widgets that support richer interactions and more complex designs. Swift concurrency updates. Swift's concurrency model, introduced in previous versions, is further refined in iOS 18. Asynchronous operation with async await are now more efficient, and there are additional concurrency tools such as task group and actors to help manage complex multi-threaded tasks. What is the impact on development? Developers can write clearer, more maintainable asynchronous code, resulting in better app performance, especially for networking and real time data processing tasks. App clips enhancements. App clips are lightweight parts of your app that launch quickly without installation. In iOS 18, Apple has expanded the app clips framework, allowing for richer experiences and more functionality. Developers can now include more features while keeping app clips fast and lightweight. One of the use cases you can think of is ideal for onboarding new users quickly or for time sensitive interactions such as payments or accessing information without installing the full app. So, these are the new features that were released in iOS 18 last week. Stay tuned, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments.